Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add paper texture to text in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer. Again, create a new layer and type text. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift. Do not hold Shift for free size. Hold Ctrl. Then right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Click Effects, add pattern overlay and click this pattern drop down menu, click this icon, settings icon and find this paper. I find this paper, see this color paper, edit color paper, append for this all, edit and this OK, only edit color paper, click only edit color paper, then see this color paper, OK, scale, opacity, scale, OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.